Feeling lost in the world of WhatsApp Business Solutions? Let's untangle the difference between WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Business API, specifically focusing on how Wati simplifies the API for you. First up, WhatsApp Business. It is that free app you download on your phone, designed for small businesses. Think of it as your digital business card, letting you set up a business profile. Use quick replies and labels to organize chats. It is user-friendly, perfect for solopreneurs or businesses with a low volume of customer inquiries. However, it is limited to one user per number, making team collaboration tricky. Now, let's talk about WhatsApp Business API. This is where Wati comes in. The API is designed for medium to large businesses needing serious scalability and automation. It allows multiple agents to access the same number, integrate with CRMs, and send automated notifications. Wati makes the WhatsApp Business API accessible without requiring advanced coding knowledge. Think of Wati as the user-friendly interface on top of the powerful WhatsApp Business API. To summarize, WhatsApp Business is ideal for small businesses seeking a simple solution, while the WhatsApp Business API via Wati is perfect for businesses needing to manage high volumes of conversations with powerful integrations and team collaboration. The choice depends on your business needs and growth plans.